Are you tired of the same old routine? Do you need a break from the mundane? Look no further than Scotland Travel 2023. Scotland is located in the northern part of the United Kingdom and covers an area of 78,387 square kilometers. The country is bordered by England to the south and the North Sea to the east, the Atlantic Ocean to the north and west, and the Irish Sea to the southwest. The capital of Scotland is Edinburgh. The currency of Scotland is the pound sterling, which is also the currency used in the rest of the United Kingdom. Picture yourself surrounded by the majestic Glencoe Mountains with clouds as your only companion. The Highland United Kingdom offers the perfect escape from the daily grind. Next stop, the Edinburgh cityscape, where ancient meets modern. Witness the Edinburgh Castle on Castle Rock. And Victoria Street Royal Mile in Old Town Edinburgh, Scotland, UK. But that's not all. Take a walk on the wild side with a visit to the old stone bridge over Sligachan River with Cullen's Hills in the background. Scotland Highlands, Scotland. Ready for some adventure? Don't miss out on a visit to Eilean Donan Castle, Scotland, or the iconic Glenfinnan Viaduct in Scotland. Witness the Jacobite crossing Glenfinnan Viaduct, or take in the stunning views at Portree Harbour. For the thrill seekers, head over to Cairngorms, Scotland for a heart-racing experience. Or for a more relaxed time, enjoy the meandering river in Scottish Highlands. But no trip to Scotland is complete without immersing yourself in the culture. Take in a man playing bagpipes, Scotland Piper. Or explore the Kelvingrove, Glasgow, Scotland. Don't forget to try the Scottish wool, haggis, and whisky. Do try the local cuisine, including haggis, neeps, and tatties. Scotland is known for its hearty, traditional dishes that are sure to satisfy your hunger. And if you're lucky, catch a glimpse of the Loch Ness Monster. Or witness the Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo. The best time to visit Scotland is from late spring to early autumn, May to September, when the weather is mild and the days are longer. However, keep in mind that the weather in Scotland can be unpredictable, so be prepared for rain and cooler temperatures. So what are you waiting for? Book your Scotland Travel 2023 adventure now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.